Can you speak a bit louder so everyone can hear?
Actually, I heard you say you think the underlined digit is what? I heard you say that you say you think them is I respectfully disagree with you. I think out of them are right.
I no, most of them.
Okay, I'm going to take one more.
Can't talk to you about it right now. I'll when I correct those, I'll let you know. Thank you.
Okay. Veronica and your partner, can you share with us, please? Everyone should be tracking Veronica right now. All the materials should be down. One second. If I need to give out paper and pencil today, like you do in kindergarten, I can do. No problem. Okay.
What is the value of the underlined digit? Say the value of the underlined digit is 50. I say the value of the underlined digit is 50. I respectfully agree. Because the underlined digit is 50 because it has a 5 in the front and back. So that could be
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, everyone should be tracking me. So by the end of mathematics today, thank you Jocelyn, thank you Alyssa, thank you Spirit, thank you Sydney. I'll get you in a minute. Okay, by the end of mathematics today, you will, in your number bonds, okay, be able to tell me how many tens and ones are in the given digits. Okay? And you will write out the addition number sentence to represent the digits. You will complete your math problem. And then, if you have time, you can do the hot problem. We have hot problem 1 and we have hot problem 2. Thank you. Okay. Naima, can you sit over here so you can see me? You can't see the board if you're sitting there.
okay.
Thank you. Okay. Everyone's tracking me still? Everyone is tracking me still? Okay. Okay. So everyone's tracking me right now, all the materials are out. So we have 15. 15 is our number. So I'm going to put 15 in the number bond. Okay? Okay, so we have 15 in the number bond. So I know that in 15 there's 110 bundle. Okay?
No one. It's the big one.
So I can put 10 here. Okay? And I know that in 15 there's 5. Everyone should be tracking me right now. All the materials should be down. 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 Okay. So I know in 15 we have, hands down please, we have 10, 110 bundle and 5 ones, okay? So then on my number sentence, so I can say 10 plus 5 equals 15, okay? Nobody should be talking over me. Everyone should be tracking me. Put the materials down. Naima, just push back a bit. That's all you have to do. I know you're a problem solver. You can do it. Okay. So now, for number 23. for number 23, I'm going to write 23 in the number bond. Dakota. Should be out. Oh, 23. So I know that in 23, there are 2 10 bundles, okay? Just leave her, she'll be okay. Just ignore her, be okay. Okay. So we're going to have 20. 2 10s is 20. Okay? And then we have 3 1s, okay? 3 1s. So then in our number sentence, I can wait. All the materials should be down. Okay, we have 20 and we have 3. So in our number sentence, we can say 20 plus 3 equals 23. Okay? So what pattern do you notice up here in this spot on the number bonds? What pattern do you notice? Zion? Can you stand up and call us out, please, so everyone can hear you? That they both have 10s, okay. Can anybody else notice a pattern? Dynasty?
Another pattern is the counting by 10, 20.
Okay, that's another pattern. So can anybody tell me another pattern? Can you tell me a pattern? In this spot here? Alfonso, you need to sit back there. Alfonso, I'm not asking you. Sit back more. Thank you. Sit back more, please. Sit back more. Okay, can you tell me the pattern that you notice in this spot here on our number bond? Can you stand up, please? Do you know? Have a look. Materials are still down. Okay, I'll ask you again in a minute maybe. Okay, so one pattern that I notice is that on this part of the number bond, the number is 2 digits. Excuse me. Here. Okay. So one pattern that I notice is that on this part of the number bond, excuse me, Dakota, are you doing your personal best right now?
Good morning. Testing should have begun at 9:30. Testing should have begun at 9:30. Please send out your attendance. Thank you.
So what I noticed that this number here, everyone should be tracking me right now. Everybody should be tracking me right now. This number here and this number here, it's 2 digits. Look, 1, 2. 1, 2. And this digit here, and this digit here, it's just one single digit on its own, okay? This will never be a 2-digit number. It'll always be a 1-digit number, okay?
Put your markers down. Put your eyes on Mr. Thompson. He should not have to keep repeating himself.
So today, when you're breaking up your numbers in your number bonds, we know that the tens place, okay? We know that in the tens place, we will have a 2-digit number that ends in a 0. Like here, look, 1, 0, 2, 0. This represents 10, this represents 20. So the value of the 10 here is 10, and you need a 0 at the end, okay? So we'll apply our strategy in a word problem, and then we're going to practice on our boards, which we're not holding or touching right now, okay?
Put the board in front of you on the floor like Sydney. Thank you, Sydney. Thank you, Jocelyn.
So I'm going to pick somebody sitting slant to read the question. Alyssa, can you read the question for us?
Dina has 5 bundles and 3 ones. The one number that will have X for teacher. She replied
Okay, I'm going to read it again. I'm going to read it again. Everyone is tracking me. Nina had 5 bundles and 3 ones. What number do you have? Asked her teacher. She replied, 35. Is Nina correct? Okay? So for 1 minute, let's discuss with your partner. Okay?
Is Nina correct or
Let's see, can we get another dojo point? Oh, that's another one. That's 2 dojo points.
Oh no.
Okay. Pick somebody on the sticks. Dakota. So, can you answer the question? Is Nina correct with your partner? Can you say it loud so everybody can hear you, please?
Is Nina correct or incorrect? It's incorrect because Nina said she had 5 bundles and 3 ones, and when she replied, she answered it was at 35. That just said that Nina had 5 bundles and 3 ones, but she said 35 on an accident. I respectfully gentlemen agree, but I would like to add on. Nina, she had 5 bundles and 3 ones, and she said 35, but it was actually 50. 35, but the number was actually 53. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, I'm going to pick one more group to see if they can add on. Okay. Zaire, and your partner, can you answer the question? So, is Nina correct? Everyone should be tracking Zaire and his partner right now. Okay, Zaire?
Is Nina correct or incorrect? Nina is incorrect because the number was she said 35, but the number is 53. I could exactly agree, but I would like to add on. Because there are 5 ones in the one. 5, there's 5 tens and 10, and there's 3 ones and there's 3
Okay. I'm going to give you dojo points, friends who just shared there. Okay, now, this is your opportunity to practice what you've learned. Everyone should be tracking me right now. Nobody should be turning around. This is different today. We have our bundles and our ones, okay? It's slightly different, but it's a similar concept. Okay, so on your whiteboards, okay, you're going to draw your number bond